Hey guys, welcome to my channel Linuxing. My name is Salman Francis, and as promised, I'm back with some more videos, and this time it's going to be Apache virtual hosting, and it's going to be name-based virtual hosting basically. And what is name-based virtual hosting? So let's say if you have a couple of domains, let's say itpings.com, itpings.net, or itpings.info, and what you want to do is you want to host different websites on these domains. And the first thing, what will come into your mind is that you might need to purchase different servers for all of these different domains, and you have to host, then you will be able to host different websites. So, but with name-based virtual hosting, we can do this setup in a single web server in a single machine. And there are a couple of more hostings as well, such as IP-based hosting, and there's port-based hosting. And these hostings are, let's say if you have more IP addresses, 2-3 IP addresses, and you want different websites in the same server, you can do that as well. But our focus today is on the name-based virtual hosting, which is very good, but very easy to set up. So let me take you the steps how you can configure name-based virtual hosting by yourself. So let's start. As always, we are using CentOS 8. You can see that. And I have already set up virtual hosting, but I will be doing it for you step by step also. So first thing is we need to go to our HTML directory, like our main document root. And here we are going to create our two directories. Let's call them itpings.com and itpings.net. Okay, you will create two simple directories, and then what you need to do is in these directories, let's say you will have your content. For example, over here, sorry about that. So for example, over here, I have a simple index.html file, and if we cat the content, we'll see that it says this is itpings.com. Okay, and in a second directory, let's say I have my two domains, itpings.com and itpings.net, and they have their directories with the name of their domains, respective domains. And in this itpings.net, I have another index.html file, and if we cat the content, we will see it says this is itpings.net. So here for com it says itpings.com, and over here it says itpings.net. Okay, that's the simple website. Now what we need to do is, let me take you to our main configuration file of Apache. Okay, and over here, if you go to the very bottom of this file, okay, and here, so at the very bottom you can see it says include optional conf.d asterisk.conf, and asterisk.conf means anything which starts with anything but ends with conf is included, and the directory is conf.d. So what we can do is we can go to conf.d and create any file, and the extension should end with conf, and that conf will be included in this, it will be read by the main directory. So this is what it means. So we have two options. We can define virtual host in the main directory as well, in this main configuration file, or we can include it into conf.d directory with the extension .conf. So it's more it's a good practice if we go to conf.d and create a separate file for virtual host rather than to create virtual host in the main configuration file. So let's go to conf.d, etc httpd conf.d. Okay, over here we can create our own files. For example, itpings.conf let's say underscore com.conf, and since it's ending with .conf, it will be read by the main directory, main configuration file. Sorry. So I have already created this. Okay, so we are in this file, and you can see that it starts with the tag of virtual host and then the asterisk :80. It means anything with the port 80, and if the server name is itpings.com, take it to var www.html@pings.com. So this is the directory which we created in this, if you remember, in our var www.html, and this is the very simple tag of virtual host. And here we will just close this virtual host tag with the /. Okay, and then we are going to create another directory with the name of itpings_net. You can call it anything, but it should end with .conf. And over here, it's like virtual host like asterisk :80. So anything which is going to port 80, and if the server name is itpings.net, the document root will be /var www.html@pings.net. Okay, that's so simple. Okay, now what we need to do is quit. This is all. Trust me, this is all. The virtual hosts are created. However, because I'm testing it on my local machine, what I need to do is two things. Number one is I need to go to etc hosts, and over here I need to mention like same IP address, and it's going to www.itpings.com or itpings.com, and then same IP address, and it's itpings.net and itpings.net, like www.itpings.net and itpings. Okay, and if I ping here like ping itpings.com, it will work, as well as itpings.com without www will also work, and same like with .net. Okay, and with www.net. Okay, perfect. Now one more thing I need to mention is, since this is the virtual machine, okay, this is the virtual machine, and if I want to test from my host machine, okay, like this is the guest and this is the host. So over here I have this virtual machine installed. So because my browser is not in the virtual machine, it's in my main machine. So what I need to do is I need to go to over here. This is, you can see that this is Red Dragon. So this is my main machine over here, and this is only Dragon, and this is the virtual machine. Okay, I should name it Black Dragon instead of Red Dragon. Anyway, so what we need to do is we need to go to the hosts here as well and need to do the same. Okay, same thing. So at least it will be able to understand that if anything goes to 1.145, it should go to itpings.com. Okay, one important thing, let's say if it's not working with your browser, what you need to do is, I'll show you in a minute, but let's ping first. So I need to make sure that it's pinging. Yes, perfect, it's pinging. And for .net, perfect. And yep, it's working. Okay, perfect. So what you need to do is, let's say if it's not working and it's giving you some DNS error, what you need to do is just go to vim etc nsswitch.conf and make sure that the hosts reads files first. So if DNS is first, then it's going to read DNS, not your host file. Okay, so this is one way to troubleshoot if it's not working. Okay, so now let's go to our browser and check if it's working. So if you type itpings.net, it will take you to itpings.net, and if you type itpings.com, it will take you to itpings.com. Perfect. So our virtual host is working perfectly fine. Again, .net will take you to .net, and .com will take you to .com. Perfect. So thank you very much for watching. This is the very simple tutorial for how to set up virtual host in Apache. So thank you very much. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like us on Facebook. It's youtube.com/Linux King, facebook.com/Linux King 77. Stay blessed. Goodbye.